Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I do my minimal makeup using 6 products. This look is my everyday look, especially perfect for those Zoom calls where you want to look a little put together. It's a 5-minute easy routine that I wear on a daily basis. I'm going to start with my Nars Concealer. I love using this as my base. I cover up my under eyes, and I also use this to cover up any spots that I have throughout my face. I'm going to bring it down a bit just so that I'm able to blend it and also cover as much as the redness that I have throughout my face, forehead perhaps, maybe I have, and then bring it down here. I'm then gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna comb my eyebrows down with this spoolie brush, and then I'm gonna take my gel pencil liner and just feather like make strokes on my eye and just fill in my eyebrows. After we finish with our eyebrows, I'm gonna go with my bronzer. As you can see, I look a bit pale, so I like to warm my face up with my bronzer. I'm using this L'Oreal True Match, and just go on the edges of my face. So just bring this in, no particular way. I'm just going to bring in some more back to my face. I'm gonna take this Milk Makeup lip and cheek product and just apply on the temple of my cheeks. So right here, on my nose, and up here. So where the sun would hit you. So I'm just gonna blend that with my finger. I'm going to take my gel liner and just apply at the outer corner of my eyes. It gives me kind of like that cat eye look without having the dramatic effect of a cat eye. I'm gonna take my eyelash curler. I use this on a daily basis just so that I'm able to enhance my natural lashes, give it more of a pop, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Then I'm gonna take my mascara. I'm using this L'Oreal Voluminous Original, I think is the darkest black, and I'm just gonna add a few layers to my lashes. I do go a little heavy on the mascara. I feel like because I'm not wearing too much makeup overall, I like to enhance my eyes. I go ahead with my Nars highlighter and just sprinkle some on the temple of my cheeks and the bridge of my nose. This is optional if you want. Whatever leftover product you have from your bronzer, I like to just blend everything through. And that's it. Oh, one more thing for lips. So I take this Milk Makeup product. You're able to use it on your cheeks as well as your lips. Is the finished product with my face. Overall, it takes me like 5 minutes. I think I use a total of 6 products for my daily makeup. It's pretty minimal, and really I find it that it's the no makeup. I don't have any foundation, and I still able to feel a little bit put together, and I'm ready for my Zoom calls. I'm gonna finish off this look with my hair and my work from home outfit. So I just finished with my hair. My hair is growing out a lot. This is what I was able to do. It's getting pretty long on the back, so I do have to get that shape up. I am planning on sticking with the pixie cut for a while. It's so much easier and it really simplifies my routine. It literally takes me like 2 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a quick 5-minute get ready with me. This is how I usually get ready for work now that we're working from home. I just do this quick 5-minute routine. It pretty much takes me like 5 minutes. It probably took longer right now because explaining things and like moving along, but it takes me at tops 5 minutes to get ready in the morning. But this is my 5-minute makeup and I really like it. It doesn't feel heavy. I feel like I'm not even wearing any makeup. So this is all based on my minimalist makeup collection. I suggest you give it a try, and if you are considering starting a small makeup collection, consider getting products that you love first, that works ideally for you, and number 2, products that you're able to use it as a dual purpose. So for this one, even though it's a sample size, I am considering on buying the full size just because game changer right here.